Yes, please. Felix will tell you what to do. He's the photographer.
Loving the gist. It's kind of just people having a little bit of a point of difference, maybe. I think we're catching people that catch our eye, and so it's kind of just grabbing them for 5 seconds, and then highlighting that they're having a little point of difference in what they're wearing, and obviously like acknowledging the fashion. This little helmet, pretty good. Various details. So it's looking nice. Yeah, so there's a bunch in there.
I'm just asking one question, which is basically what fashion means to each individual, how people approach getting dressed. So it's been really fun. One particular statement was just from this gentleman here, Pete. He said that fashion and design is integral to everything in our lives. So I think that's a really good sentiment to think about design in general and how that impacts our lives and the way that we live.